Sometimes the piece of timber is too big to take to the machine, so you have to take the machine to the piece of timber, and that's what's happening here. We've got a big curve to cut in the front beam for a porch project that we're on, and we're using a portable bandsaw. We've marked the curve out in the simplest way possible using a straight grain stick that bends in a nice uniform fashion. The bandsaw is made by the same company that makes our chain mortiser, Swiss Pro. And be under no illusions, just because it looks small doesn't mean it lacks power. This thing absolutely rips. That beam is 8 inches thick and is gliding through effortlessly. Cutting this curve was extremely nerve-wracking. I had one chance to get it right. If this went wrong, I'd have no choice but to buy a new beam, and that would be bad, really bad. This beam had to be cut out of a 12-inch by 12-inch piece of timber, which, as you can imagine, cost me quite a bit of money, and I didn't fancy having to buy it again. Anyway, slow and steady was the order of the day. There was absolutely no rush. On the grounds that I've got virtually no experience with using one of these machines, I didn't really know what to expect when I pulled the offcut away, but I was absolutely delighted with how smooth the curve came out. I spent probably half an hour or so with a belt sander just fine-tuning and getting rid of the bandsaw marks. And there we have it, 1x curved oak beam, which will become one of the components for our latest oak frame porch project. Next job is to dig some mortises. Stay tuned, bye for now.